Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg sandwich for breakfast. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and 1 tablespoon of butter. You'll also want a slice of cheese, like cheddar or American, and any seasonings such as salt and pepper. Make sure you have a small nonstick pan and a spatula handy. Now, let's cook those eggs. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your nonstick pan over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, crack your 2 eggs directly into the pan. Season them with a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the egg whites are fully set but the yolks are still wonderfully runny, just how you like them. While your eggs are cooking, toast your 2 slices of bread to your preferred level of golden crispness. Once the toast is ready, place a slice of cheese on 1 piece. The warmth of the toast will help it melt beautifully. Then, carefully slide your perfectly cooked eggs right on top of that cheesy toast, ensuring they are centered. To finish, add any extra toppings you love, such as a slice of crispy bacon, some fresh avocado, or a dash of your favorite hot sauce for an extra kick. Place the second slice of toast on top to complete your delicious egg sandwich. Serve it immediately and savor every warm, savory bite of your homemade breakfast masterpiece. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.